Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the DJI Mic Mini transmitter not connecting. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have the DJI Mic Mini transmitter, and for some reason, it's not connecting to the receiver. How do you actually go to fix this? Now, I recently got the DJI Mic Mini, and the way that I actually fixed this was if your transmitter is not connecting, all I simply do is that I put it back into the charging case, so this transmitter. I return it to the charging case, leave it in there for about 3 seconds, and then I go ahead and remove it. And then I check to see if the transmitter connects this time. In order to confirm whether or not it connected, just make sure that this light is a solid green as well as on the receiver as well. But it's pretty much a simple fix though, guys. All the reasons why it might not be connecting is that maybe the battery is dead or maybe it's out of battery. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go and explain why is the DJI Mic Mini transmitter not connecting. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.